Destination Aurangabad. Aurangabad is located in central Maharashtra, industrially the most advanced state in the country. Aurangabad is the capital place of Marathwada region. Aurangabad has been on the international tourist map for long with two World Heritage sites within its proximity, Ajanta and Ellora. These 2000-year-old rock carvings and paintings are masterpieces of art and culture. Daulatabad, the unconquered war fort, Khultabad and Panchaki are the other tourist attractions in Aurangabad. Aurangabad is connected directly by rail with Mumbai, Hyderabad and Delhi. Two large container depots in Aurangabad are very convenient facilities for exporters. Aurangabad is very well connected by road. With national highways passing through it, you can reach from Aurangabad to many important destinations of central, western and southern India in less than 10 hours by road. Aurangabad is a part of the golden quadrangle of Maharashtra that shall soon connect Mumbai, Pune, Nashik and Aurangabad with expressways. Aurangabad has day-long flights of three major air carriers of India to Mumbai and Delhi. The airport at Aurangabad shall soon be an international airport and is one amongst the 20 shortlisted airports for the modernization program by the Indian Aviation Ministry. Aurangabad has abundant supply of water and electricity. Aurangabad has very good internet connectivity from many reputed service providers. Schools from Aurangabad have produced state toppers. The schools give flexibility of choosing ICSE, CBSE and SSC patterns of education. Aurangabad students have a proportionately high number of entries into IITs through the joint entrance tests. Multidiscipline high-quality education in engineering, medicine, arts, commerce, science, law, management is available at Aurangabad. Top institutes in their fields of hotel management, tool room and plastics technologies have their centers in Aurangabad. The city boasts of many 5-star hotel facilities for tourists and business visitors. With good theatres, malls, clubs and hospitals in the city, your stay at Aurangabad is guaranteed to be cozy and enjoyable. Many industrial sectors have their manufacturing bases in Aurangabad. Automotive and auto components, pharmaceuticals, breweries, consumer durables, plastics and aluminium processing, agriculture and biotech, and of course, information technology. Aurangabad has pioneered innovation. Some of the major products pioneered at Aurangabad are hybrid seats, non-stick cookware, BOPP films, plastic mats, and optic fiber. Some of the major national and international business houses have their manufacturing setups at Aurangabad. The manufacturing sector of Aurangabad has large base of aluminium die cast, plastic processing, sheet metal fabrication, forging and casting industries. The much required support industry is very well developed. The industrial culture of Aurangabad is matured and deep-rooted. There is a large pool of small and medium industries in Aurangabad. Aurangabad has been unruffled by small and big recessions that have hit India in the past 3 decades. With TPM Culture Club, JIT followers and qualified pool of industrial suppliers, industries in Aurangabad have all ingredients of success. The young and enthusiastic industry of Aurangabad makes it one of the fastest developing cities of Asia. Aurangabad also has sub-centers of many professional bodies and active associations. Advantage Aurangabad. With qualified manpower available at low cost, very affordable infrastructure, Aurangabad definitely provides a competitive edge to your business. Aurangabad shall soon have world-class facilities in the auto and pharma clusters being developed here. Special economic zones have been declared that shall soon offer world-class infrastructure for specific manufacturing sectors. Make Aurangabad your preferred destination. Destination Aurangabad. Aurangabad is located in central Maharashtra, industrially the most advanced state in the country. Aurangabad is the capital place of Marathwada region. Aurangabad has been on the international tourist map for long with two World Heritage sites within its proximity, Ajanta and Ellora. These 2000-year-old rock carvings and paintings are masterpieces of art and culture. Daulatabad, the unconquered war fort, Khultabad, and Panchaki are the other tourist attractions in Aurangabad.